At least you don't get a load of wind noise coming through these intercoms.
No, I think they're better intercoms. I still think they're using this. They must be part of the same company because
I think the Senna's sounded better. The voices did. Sounded more realistic.
No, but the built-in.
Oh
voice,
yeah, it's exactly the same.
Same woman.
It's the same woman.
Yeah, you just got to remember there's a little tiny person inside.
What?
Shouting down a cup.
Cup and string?
No, yeah, cup and strings. Well, things have come a long way because obviously a long time ago when I was younger, the only way you could speak was hand signals.
To be fair, it's like that now when these die, or when Senna's used to die. It disconnected.
It's also the same situation. I mean, with these camera. Oh, okay. So yeah, what's it? A bit of a battery issue.
A bit
earlier. A bit of a battery issue, but
after going out in rain once.
Oh, yeah, no, a battery issue earlier on when you thought it got a dead battery.
No, I thought you meant the Senna's.
No, no. That was different. I'm on about cameras, like video cameras. Back in Motovlogs.
Motovlogs.
Motovlogs. We didn't used to do them back in my day, or did we? Yes. Because I've got a tape somewhere in a box.
Motovlog extravaganza.
Yeah, but I think about 1990.
Was there lorries stuck in your way in the 90s like this? Simon Clowes.
There weren't as many cars.
They all had square headlights back then.
What, cars?
Yeah.
Yeah, bikes did and all. Going back to this motovlogging in the late 80s, 90s. It was a case of somebody sitting on the back of your bike with a big flipping camcorder on the shoulder.
Well, like a proper cameraman back in the day.
Yeah.
Dedicated cameraman.
We're being passed.
Benaki's daring. Did you have to have a boom operator as well on back as well, like one of those big sticks, like trying to get the audio?
I'm sure we could find a way of getting this VHS tape that I've got onto digital format.
I don't know if it would be the world's first moto vlog, but there you go.
It wouldn't be the first one, but it might be the first local one.
Oh yeah, 'cause it's the Derbyshire, the delights of Derbyshire, I'm sure.
It was Derbyshire, was it?
I don't know, you've always lived in Derbyshire.
Yes, but I was going to the Mallory Park for the motor racing, or the bike racing.
Whereabouts Mallory Park?
Leicester.
Oh, Leicester.
Oh, it's that way.
It's Leicester.
It's Leicester way.
Leicester.
I can't quite remember if it's no, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not that. I can't quite remember. It's at Mallory.
Never been there. If it is Leicester,
I'm sure it's Leicestershire.
Leicestershire.
But there were none of this communications here, like what we're doing. You just had to hope the guy on the back knew what they were doing. Or you had to shout loudly at each other.
Oh, we've got an electrical issue on this Volkswagen.
Why is what's not working?
The brake light's a bit dodgy on it. We'll go in front of him.
I think you need to activate your warp drive.
Warp drive. The warp drive was not effective.
Oh, look at this guy here, look, it's a lady driver with wheelie and motorcycles on back. What's that all about? On graphics?
Oh,
no.
Yeah.
What's
No,
that? Is it?
I can smell oil now being behind you.
That's because I'm burning oil, that gives me that extra horsepower.
Various horsepowers increased.
Well then, I'll let you take the lead again and get past this lane. I have to learn to ride motorbikes in the car.
I've used all my nitrous now, I'm not going to be able to get past them. All my NOS.
Well, I've got to do it then.
Did you know, here's a fun fact for you.
Go on, then.
It was the brand name NOS that nitrous oxide is now known by. It's not actually its name. It's a brand NOS. Do you know
Yeah, but
when
surely-
you got nitrous oxide in your car with all them dials and switches and all that gubbins?
Yes.
It was actually the brand name NOS that it was coined as.
Right, so
Good
what's the,
advertisement, innit?
well, what's the chemical formula for nitrous oxide?
Chemical formula: nitrogen,
I
oxygen.
thought it was NO2.
I thought it was NOS. Oh no, that's the brand, isn't it? Nitrogen,
Yeah.
nitrogen,
Oh.
oxygen, and sausages.
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 Oh. Which way am I going? Right here.
Yeah, right here. Alex at BikerPics should be here actually.
All right. It's the is it EXT member?
EXT.
The Royal Signals White Helmets. He's one of them stunt riders, isn't he?
Oh what?
And these guys that stand on top of each other's shoulders where they're like riding bikes in a pyramid. I'm
Oh,
sure you'll
yeah.
get a picture of it. That's what the Royal Signal White Helmets are, I'm sure. I could be wrong.
He's got.
Like, ride around in the field.
Do you think they
doing
teach
tricks.
them that on the old L plates? Get on top of roof and start getting into a human pyramid. Yeah, so up ahead there's a lay-by, and I'm pretty sure Alex at BikerPics is going to be sat in that.
What? With traffic?
With traffic, additional traffic added. We'll have to Photoshop them out, just like get the magic eraser. Shall we do like a chips, side-by-side chip style?
Oh, there you are.
I don't know where lay-by is. It's not yet, I don't think.
Well, I might as well see if I can do this, keep this formation going.
Keep the formation.
Right, so this is what these white helmet guys do. They're like this now, riding in formation, and then be another guy on his shoulders, standing on his shoulders now. We'd be riding side by side.
We need someone
But
on
they'd
back to climb up.
But there'd be like 10 of them, 10 wide, building this pyramid of people.
I struggle to balance enough as it is without someone on my shoulders.
That's why they're special.
I used to get kicked out at swimming baths doing that back in the day.
Oh, there's his sign here, looking to BikerPics.
I imagine
Why
it'll
are we
be somewhere
slowing down?
here.
Why are we doing 30?
I don't know. Can you keep up with me?
Oh, come on, Matt.
Oh, he must be having a coffee break. Oh, there he is. I was wondering where he was, and then he was hiding in a bush.
Well, they know it's you.
Yeah, he'll know it's me.
Have you actually spoke to the guy?
Yeah, I sometimes stop to have a chat with him. He's ever so nice bloke, old Alex. And he always sorts me out with best pictures, I think.
Does that mean we need to go back?
Yeah, well, when we get to Watstonwell, or Watsamwell, whatever it is. How do you pronounce it? I always do this wrong. What is it?
As far as I'm aware, it's always been Watstanwell.
Watstanwell?
Watstanwell.
Watstonwell?
Forgot the chip style again.
Can do. Get one in both directions and then do something fun.
Which way are you going? Are you going to left or to right?
I was on inside last time, so you can go on inside. Get someone
Oh,
on
yeah,
shoulders
I'll
quick. Get someone on shoulders quick. Come on, quick. You got get the intercom lady out. The intercom. That's the miniature lady talking in your ear. If I'm like a few feet in front of you, I think that would look quite good.
Oh yeah, because it makes it look like you've got the faster bike.
Oh yeah, I'll do this as well. Put my feet on rear pegs like that or something. Where are they? Or like that.
You're getting a bit close, you are.
It's me panniers. It's not my fault. It's the panniers.
Running me into gutter, you are. Here.
It's like road rash. Can't you remember? Just get that on BikerPics. Deuce, deuce.
Waving to him.
What are you waving? I wasn't waving.
Well, because I'd be home up the whole time. I'm like waving to him, and you're like, oh, what are you doing?
I was trying to look cool. I was. Well, later going past again. Always mess it up, you do.
Oh, it's always me.
Ah. I'm there looking all cool and stuff. And you're just like, hey, hey, mate, hey.